This is Lucy. She was born in Slovakia. She moved to London just under 2 years ago, and that's when she started training and going to the gym. She took a lot of inspiration from her PT Lazaro, who for his age is in tremendous shape. Lucy worked hard for her physique and also does a lot of modelling work. We've used Lucy on a number of LA Muscle shoots, including when she went to Car Rappers Yanamai's in the blue Huracan Performante. She received a very good reception from the Yanamai's team and even helped out. Other shoots she has been on include luxury car dealer GVE with her sister Michaela, as well as Ferragini Customs. Her favourite car manufacturer is Lamborghini. Lucy's favourite muscle groups to train are legs and arms.